Okay, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Please, dude. Come on. Stop. Yo, what's up, guys? Razor Affiliate here. Welcome to new video on my channel. Today I'm recording Keydrop. $700 on my balance. Before I start, don't forget to use my promo code for 10% bonus and free 50 cents for new users. Just click add fonts in top right corner, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate, and just click apply. Also, you can click on promotional code in top left corner and you can enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click collect. Okay, I will start with case battles today. I'll join on this one, $51 case battle, so I hope we can make good profit today. So let's see. Okay, first one case is so bad. Okay, this one not bad. $10, $11. Okay, Huntsman knife lure. Okay, guys, that's crazy start. And wildfire AVP. Okay, $500 at start. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Also, if you're looking for free golds on Keydrop, just click on free gold section, scroll down, and you can find steps how to claim it. You can follow Keydrop on TikTok and you can claim 18 golds. You can follow Keydrop on Instagram. You can join on Keydrop Facebook group. You can like Keydrop on Facebook and more. Just scroll to find every steps. Okay, guys, we made huge profit at the start, so let's try to make more. Maybe let's create one more case battle, or maybe let's join. Also, you can join on free case battles. You just need to find icon free and just click join the battle. Okay, this one only $12, 2 cases. Let's see this one. Can we hit something good maybe? Oh my god, so close knife, guys. Please don't bait, just drop. Unlucky. But only $12, not bad. Okay, I'll create new case battle. Okay, let's try 5 cases. Waiting for player to join. $95 case battle. Please, dude, let's join. Okay, I will add bot. Let's try with bot Lepage. Okay, come on. First one M4, that's not bad. Just keep. I need one knife, maybe. One more knife. One more huntsman lure, please, dude. Okay, we lead with $22. Please drop, bro. Just drop one more knife. Okay, this one AK, not bad. Legend of Anubis, $32. I lead. Please, last one. Okay, I win this one. But I don't make profit here. I lose $3. Okay, I will try with upgrades now. So let me see. Let's try it. 5x here. This one USP. Okay, looks good. Stop. Okay, we got it. 5x, 17%. That's crazy, dude. Okay, let's try it. Okay, I will try contract. Low price skins. Let's try upgrade. 5 of them. Let's try double it, maybe $52. Let's try with this one M4. Golden coil. Okay, I lose this one. Okay, can we hit 2x now? Please, dude. 44%. Stop. Okay, one more knife. Got knife forest. Crazy. Nice start. Okay, I'll try this one. AVP. Hunting, maybe. I don't know, maybe this one got knife. Please, dude. I missed this one. Okay, let's try with more case battles. Can we join maybe? Only $10, 75, but already full. Okay, let's create knife. Okay, one. Okay, looks good this one. Waiting for player to join. Come on. Nobody joined. Let's try with bot maybe. This one Foxy bot. Okay, let's see. Can we hit something good here, please? Can we make profit? First one bad, last one. Please, bro, something good. I need profit. Okay, one more win, one more win. $630, guys. $630. Okay, let's try it. Case opening maybe. Guys, on Keydrop you can create case battles, you can open cases, you can join on events, tournaments, giveaways, you can create giveaways and more. I will try with case opening now. I will try to open YouTuber cases. Maybe, I don't know, maybe unknown cases. Let's try with 2. Come on. Okay, that's bad, I think. Only $4. Let's try one more. Stop on AK, stop on AK. Okay, how much? 39. Okay, let's try with contract now. Only low price skins. $11. Can we hit profit here maybe? Okay, 16. That's good, that's good. Best part for me is upgrade, so let's try with upgrade. Let me see. Can we hit $577? Can we hit profit here maybe? Okay, let's try with 2x. Can we hit Karambit Slaughter maybe? Guys, are you ready? Please, bro, please. Please! Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's try with 2 knives. 700, guys. Let's try it 1.5x. Can we hit something, please? Vulcan AK. 57%. 3, 2, 1. Come on, dude, please. Okay, I got it, guys. Let's go. Let's try now with 1.5x. Let's try this one, butterfly. Okay, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Please, dude. Come on. Stop. Okay. 2k butterfly knife. Oh my god. That's crazy hit, guys. That's crazy hit. Okay, guys, last one case battle, 4 cases. Let's see, can we win $216 case battle? Let's try with bot. Come on. One more win, please. Okay, first one. Okay, $82. I got minimal wear. Oh my god. Just keep, broski. Just keep. Oh my god, he got 226. Last 2 cases, please, dude. Oh my god, imagine Dragon Lore. Last one, please. One knife, only one knife. Only one knife, dude. Unlucky. Guys, not bad today. I got profit 2k, butterfly knife slaughter. So let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Just click cut fonts in top right corner. Enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye.